Hi guys, we're going to start marking now and damn excited. Okay, I have the answer key with me right now here on my phone. There we go, my answer key. Let's see. Um, right, let's use a red pen. First one, 15 over 17 squared 2 minus 5 over 17. There we go, perfect. Okay, next one. 2, we're going to have a graph like this. Oh, there we go, and this. There we go, perfect. Yeah, 0, 2, and negative 2 is rejected. 0, 2, perfect. Okay, find what is okay, 3IA is 6.5 or 6.5, negative 13, good. And then, good, going good till now. And then it is 26x squared plus 64x plus 49 equal to 0. Something might be wrong. No, it's, wait. If I times both sides by 26, that will become 44. Not. Right? Yeah, so something is wrong. So let's see. So something like the sum of roots is wrong. The sum of roots is wrong. Let me check how do I, okay. So this is why we have this, which is helpful. Let's see. Sum of roots should be here somewhere. Let's see. What am I doing? Okay, let's see the sum of roots. Sum of roots. We're gonna have that square plus, okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Second line is perfect. Third line seems right. Right, because alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, then alpha cube minus plus beta cube is 13, negative 13. Yeah, nothing from, it should be right. Okay, and then alpha plus beta is gonna be 2. 2, 2, 2, is it 2? Let me see. Alpha plus beta is going to be, yeah, of course it's going to be 2. Yeah, it's 4, negative 4 over 2. Yeah, there we go. And then what else? So this is all correct. Then dr by 6.5. So let's assume that, yeah, that's correct, right? Yeah, that's correct. So let's use a calculator and check it out what it's going to be. Negative 30 is negative 11, negative 11. You know what? I'm just going to type in calculator because that might just be a problem. Negative 13 plus 2 is going to become 11 divided by 6.5. That's going to give me negative 22 over 13. Let's see, negative 22, that thing, times 26. Let's give me 44, negative 44. But the answer key says, it's 64. Not sure why. Yeah, I'm not sure why. If you guys find why, can you guys like tell me why I'm wrong? It'd be great. Yeah. So I'll say question mark. Okay, next one. K. What is the value of K? What is the value of K? K is 4 or 0. K is 4. Yeah, K is 4. And then we have 2x to the power 4 negative 14x cubed plus 12. Okay, 4. Okay. Plus 12, then plus 64 minus 64. Perfect. Good. Okay. For part 5, it's gonna be 5 negative 2 then 2 minus x, that kind of thing. I remember seeing such a thing here. Okay. Oh yeah, 5 minus 2x square. Perfect. Good job. That thing, yeah, I remember the graph. The graph was correct. Okay. And then solve the equation. The logarithm is x is equal to 1.5. Perfect, guys. Very proud of this. They say 8.5 y to the power of 3, I believe. Yeah. So 17 over 2 is perfect. Yeah, okay. Then they gave a range of negative 8 to 4 for the thing. Okay. And then m is 0. I can't see the screen. It's like negative 8.48, or there's another one. No, I can't see that. Maybe 6.48. I'm not sure. Let me see. But like, if the negative answer is correct, the positive answer should be correct also. Plus, no, minus square root 56. It's going to be negative 8.48. Perfect. Yeah, and I know that in AMAT we can leave this in insert form. Next is 0 pi 3.87 5.552 pi. Perfect. And the next one is going to be 0.9 degrees, 49.1 degrees, 180.9 degrees, and 229.1. Perfect. Then next we're going to have negative 5 minus square 2. Good. Proving. Yeah, I'll prove that. And negative 1, 13 over 60. This might be wrong. No, it's not. Yeah, it's perfect. It's good. I should leave it in proper fraction next time. Don't be lazy, Dave. Okay. Amplitude is 2. Perfect. Period is 240. Perfect. Maximum point is 0 degrees and 3, and then 240 degrees and 3. 3, yeah. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, 0 and 3. Okay, you put the degrees. And then minimum is 120, negative 1, 360, negative. Perfect. Got this correct also. Find the x coordinate. 80 degrees, 160 degrees, 320 degrees. 80, 160, 320. Okay. Sketch the graph. It looks perfect. Like they have, yeah. I mean, obviously you need to do more. Oh, no, it's perfect. Yeah. B is 6 and 9. Oh, that means everything else is wrong for that thing. Sharks. Whew. It's kind of crazy. Let's see what happened. It's so bad. Okay, let's see. So let me pause this and get everything up. You know what, guys? I'm going to retry this question, and let's see what happens using the same method though. Yeah. So we have a given gradient, which is going to be 2 over 3. The gradient is 2 over 3 because it's 3y is equal to 2x minus 10. Then y is equal to 2/3 of x minus 10 over 3. So, oh, there we go. No, I mean, it doesn't matter. 2/3 is the gradient for AB. So, for AB is going to be y minus 0 over x minus 7 plus 7.5 is equal to 2 over 3. And then we will change this up. We're going to write 3y is equal to 2x plus 17 times 2 for 15. Okay, so this is bad handwriting, but yeah, that's the logic. And as for the perpendicular line, it's going to be negative 1 over that, so it's going to be negative 3 over 2. That's the gradient. Negative 3 over 2 is the gradient. So sorry for being messy, but like, hope you guys can follow my words. Negative 3 over 2 is the gradient. And then we have 12. And so let's have an equation for that. So y minus 0 over x minus 12 is equal to negative 3 over 2. And so again we can move okay, so we can have 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 12 times 3 36. And okay, so now let's try to, okay, see, it's a bit weird now, but let's try to like solve this in like simultaneous equation. I would, what should I do? Times, okay, let's let this be 1, let this be 2, and then I'm gonna do 2 times of 1 minus 3 times of 2. So that will cancel away the y's. So you're gonna get 0 is equal to 2 times of 1. I should not circle this. Okay, 2 times of 1, it's going to be 4x plus 30 minus 3 times of this, right? So minus 3 times 3, that plus 9x minus 3 times 36 minus 3 times 36. It's going to be negative 108. Negative 108. And then we're going to have, like, let's move all the non-x's to one side. So we're going to have 13x is equal to 108 minus 30, 78. I'm not sure how this is going to work. 78 divided by 13, 6. There we go. Now we got the answer that we were looking for. So I would say my logic is not wrong, but take my word for it. Okay, let's mark everything else first because we found the error here. It's like we did the same process. The idea was correct, but it's just some kind of careless mistake in calculation. So this should be changed. Okay, this should be changed to 6. This should be changed to 9, but the logic was very similar to the previous one. Okay, I'll just keep moving on. The answers though, if you want to try this question yourself, it's going to be 2:3 for this one, which doesn't make sense. I'm so sorry, one sec. They said D is a point on line BC such that the ratio is 2:1. Okay, they have, oh, one sec, this is kind of scary because like, yeah, D is a point on BC. Okay, and then we have this ratio of 2:1. Find the area of a triangle ABC, ABD, ABD to ABC, ABC. So you see guys, this is kind of scary, but like the reason why I did the 2/3 square was because I assumed that the what we're looking at is similar triangles. When the similar triangles have that kind of area, right? That means every single side of the triangle is being enlarged. But for this, they have common height. When they have a common height, it's like the area of a triangle is half base times height. Only the base changes. Therefore, by whatever the base changes, that's how the area also changes. So it's just going to be 2:3 without needing to do the square thing. So okay. You know what? I'll do this question again later at the end of the thing. I'll just continue marking. This is the last question, so let's just mark this. It's gonna be 3. Yeah, okay, wait. Yeah, perfect. Okay, then x minus 3 square, then plus y square equal to 5. Then it's gonna be 3 and negative 4, and then square 30. And then they said they will not intersect because it's like 7.71 or something like that. For me, I calculated 9.91. Why is it so? They have R1 plus R3, same thing as what I did. So R1 is like square root 5, right? Yeah, and R2 is like R2 is like what? Square root 30. What? Oh, I did square root 50, no wonder. Square root 5 plus square root 30. A careless mistake, guys. Yeah, it happens. But the logic is right. So I guess I'll get this wrong. Okay, that's it. So 2 marks gone. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 marks in total for now. Then I'll give that correct. That might be answering wrong. 12 marks gone. So not sure how many marks. It's out of 100. I'm gonna assume I got full marks for the graph question. It's 88 out of 100. Bad. But okay, never mind. Okay, I'll end this now. I'll do the thing. The questions. Okay, I'm gonna retry this question that I got wrong previously. Okay, so let's try. A B B. Okay, we have an equation of this line that is parallel to, so we have the same gradient as this, which has the same gradient as that. So it's going to be 2x minus 3y is equal to 10, then y is equal to 3y is equal to 2x minus 10, y is equal to 2/3 of x minus 10 over 3. So we know this is the gradient. So using that idea, we can form an equation for AB. This y minus 0 over x minus or plus 7.5 is equal to 2/3. So we have 3y is equal to 2x plus 15. The other line BC is perpendicular to it, which is going to be -1 over this thing. So the gradient of that is going to be -3 over 2. So yeah, again, let's try to find the equation. Y minus 0 over x minus 12 is equal to 3 over 2, and then they're going to have 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 36. Okay, what else are we going to do? We're going to, okay, so now, I mean, we're almost done actually. So I'll do something like this is, let this be 1, let this be second equation. We're going to do a simultaneous equation. 1 okay, 2 times of 1 minus 3 times of 2. Okay, so that's going to give us 0 on the left hand side. It's going to be equal to 2 times the first one, so it's going to be 4x minus, okay, plus 30, then minus 3 times of this is going to be plus 9x minus 36 times 3, 36 times 3, 108, and then if we move around, it's going to be 13x is equal to 78, and then x is equal to 6. There we go. And let's try find y. Okay, so 2y is equal to 2x plus that, so 12 plus 15, which is going to be, or 3y is that, 3y is that, it's going to be 27. So y is going to be 9, so we have 6 and 9. B is 6 and 9. Great. Now we're going to shrink it so that we can have more space. So let's do it. Shrunk. Okay, let's try again. For D, okay, I mean for part 2, D is a point on line BC such that the ratio of BD to DC is 2:1. 2:1. And they want to find the ratio of the area of the triangle ABD to ABC. You see, they're not similar triangles. They're rather like triangles that are like have the same height. They have the same height. So their area is also going to be 2:3. Yeah. So it's going to be just 2:3. Find the coordinate of D. Okay. So what can we do? I want to try some new method. Okay, let me pause and try some method. Okay, guys, I found a really nice method. Like, I thought of something really nice, which is like, we don't really do it in secondary school. So let's do this. We know that for D, right, it is like 2 units from, like, it's like, it's length of, like, okay, if you have to take the distance between the point B and point C, just like the horizontal distance, it's like, it's 2 units from there and 1 unit from the right hand side, like this hand side. So I can do something like take the difference, divide it by 3, and get like 2 units worth of it, and then add it to the x coordinate of B. That will give me the value of D. So let's do that. So 12 minus 6 divided by 3, then times 2. That will give us this amount of value. Then we add that to the value of B. So that's going to give us the x coordinate of D. So 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 6 is 4 plus 6 is 10. So we have x coordinate is 10. So let's do the same thing for the y coordinate. Again, it's going to be 2:1. So the difference from here to here is 9. So 9 divided by 3 times times 2, and then what are we going to take away from the top parts, because this is 2 units from that. So take away from that, 9 minus that. So that's going to give us 9 minus 3 times 2 6, so which is going to be 3. So we're going to have 10 and 3, 10 3. So that's a really nice idea. I hope you guys liked it. Calculate the area of the triangle ABD, area of the triangle. So if we know the area of the triangle ABC, we can find the area of triangle ABD. So let's try to find the area of triangle ABC. So we know the base and we know the height, so therefore we can find the area of ABC. So let's do that. Base base is, let me just find the area. area of ABC is going to be 12 plus 7.5 times the height, which is 9, and then times half, which is going to be 12 plus 7.5 times 9 times half, which is going to be 45.75. 45.75. But now look, we already found this ratio, so we just need to divide that by what? By 3, and then times it by 2 to get this thing. So divide by 3 times 2, 30.5. So let's check all the answers that we've gotten now. 6, 9, yeah. 2/3, perfect. 10, 10, 3, 10, 3, yeah, 10, 3, it's perfect. And then 58, no, 58.5, no, again I'm wrong. Why am I wrong? Area of triangle ABD. ABC is 12 plus 7.5 times 9 times half. Yeah. And then divide by 3 times 2. Should be correct. Not sure why I'm wrong. Let me see. Let's try again. 12 plus 7.5 times 9 times half. Oh, it gives me 87.75. And then I'll divide it by 3 times 2. Yeah, it does give me 50. It's just a calculation error. Okay. 58.5. The idea is correct, guys. Yeah, just that this thing is wrong, like value here.